trying to walk in stilettos.
Ready?
Yes. Oh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Look. We're wearing stilettos, watch. Stiletto boots. Okay, Melissa, you. Okay, come on. Here, do me again.
Okay.
Wait.
Show me your sexy walk, Julia. There you go.
These are hard to walk in, boys.
Oh,
My feet hurt.
my feet hurt too.
There's a barn over there, and I think there's someone in there that's gonna like come out and kill us.
We have stilettos on.
Let's try and okay. You run. I'm gonna have to video you.
Me running.
Run. Okay, here you do me running.
Okay. Run to me. Oh my god. Oh, we're having too much fun with this.
This is funny.
Oh, imagine if we were having a better time than we would have drunk.
Yeah, I know. Like, we should do this more often. Like,
just wear your mom's clothes.
and like, yeah.
Who lives around here?
Newfoundland. Boring town of Newfoundland. Anyway, let's go in again. Okay, I'm gonna videotape us trying to go in. No, this is not good. There's
My
light.
feet are throbbing.
Okay, I got there. See, I tried to get right there. And I did it. Hi, Kim.
Hi, Julia.
Okay, anyway, yeah. We have to make it over there, and there's ice everywhere in stilettos. Here we